Is the PPP forgiveness loan amount taxable? Welcome back. I'm Christopher, IR Certified Acceptance Agent, tax professional, and an entrepreneur. The answer is no. It is not a taxable income by next year. Because the goal of the PPP, according to the article of the CARES Act, the PPP forgiveness loan amount, it will not be included to the taxable income because the main goal is to keep your business running and paying your employees and keeping them on the payroll. So therefore, it is not part of your taxable income. If you are a business owner, you need to know how to put it on your bookkeeping, on your books, okay? Now, the only catch, there's a drawback. You cannot deduct the expenses that you paid for your employees that were covered by the PPP. How does that work? So for example, for this year, 2020, you paid $100,000 for your employee, but 50,000 of those are covered by the PPP forgiveness amount. Therefore, by next year, you can only deduct 50,000 of payroll expenses because the 50,000 was already covered by the PPP amount. Okay, if you have more questions, feel free to contact us. We are here to help you because here in Why Coffee Break, we are giving tips and tricks on how you can manage and run your business efficiently. After all, you cannot do it alone. We are here to help because life is not working hard. It is working smart. Stay safe. Welcome back. I'm Christopher, IRS Certified Acceptance Agent, tax professional, and a business owner. From this point forward, it's only less than 2 months before the tax filing deadline for businesses. So what we do, here's a good news for all the business owners out there who are not ready to file their taxes. We are going to conduct 5 webinar series that will be offered in English, and there's one more thing, in Spanish, for free. Yes, it's free. All you have to do is what? Register as early as today. Just subscribe on our YouTube channel, find Wyco Tax, and keep or follow us on our Facebook. It's already posted about the dates. And the good thing, more than anything, we will give a tax tip workshop. It's a tax workshop certificate and 1 hour bookkeeping and tax strategy just for 15 participants. Okay, that is just our own continuous contribution to the community of the RGB, or not even the RGB, wherever you are. If you have time to commit, remember, it should be 5 webinar series. We will talk about the new changes for tax filing, what are the additional deductions this time because of the COVID-19 situation, also how your business entity affects taxes, and how to pay yourself right. Okay, so far you're paying what, 30% as a business owner. Now our goal at the end of the session, and I will guarantee that you will pay less than 30% after the series. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for your time and hope we will see you soon. Remember, it's an English and Spanish presentation. Stay safe and have a good day.